Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and behind me is truly a one-of-a-kind Cybertruck that we just finished customizing. Let's start with the exterior. As you can see, this is a really unique two-tone T-Max gloss color change PPF wrap. The upper half area of the body line, as you can see, is in our hyper gloss black, which is our #1 selling color. But this customer wanted to do a two-tone that we've never done before, and he chose T-Max Miami Blue PPF for the lower half. Those two colors work really well with each other. Now, this customer wanted to make the complete exterior of the truck look special. Get rid of all textured plastics and kind of lower end appearances. So what we did was we painted the front and rear bumpers meticulously by smoothing out all the texture of the plastic, prepping it and painting it hyper gloss black to go ahead and match the wrap. That's a really good look. Now, normally, as you know, on a Cybertruck, you've got your wheel arches and you've got your side skirts, and those are textured plastic as well. But this customer chose my favorite exterior accessory for the Cybertruck. This is our gloss carbon fiber wide body program. Wider fender flares, front and rear, really nice carbon fiber side skirts, gives this truck a really nice exterior finish, very sporty. Also, side mirror caps. Let's get rid of that textured plastic, gloss carbon fiber to tie it all in. And then, of course, 24-inch CTM fully forged gloss black wheels. My favorite, you all know it. I have it on my Cybertruck. I think that's the best look for the Cybertruck. So he went with my recommendations, and I love the way this turned out. Now, as you can see, we also tinted the windows. And that's really important on a Cybertruck because there's so much glass. And these trucks get really hot on the inside. So we used 3M ceramic IR film, and by tinting all the glass surfaces, we will now cool the interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days, and more importantly, give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and check out this beautiful new interior. So as you can see, we reupholstered the front and rear seats using Ferrari black leather, and then perforated Monza suede inserts, finished off with, of course, Miami blue stitching, as you can see. Now, we took it one step even further. Take a look at the seatbelt webbing. They have been reupholstered as well. Out with the black, which of course would work, but it's so much cooler when you have matching seatbelt webbing to the stitching and the exterior wrap on your Cybertruck. Now, to finish it all off, the customer decided to go ahead and take it one step further and have us apply T-Max ceramic coatings to the complete exterior. What that does for you is the following. Number one, when we apply it to the wrap, it will help seal in the wrap, it will help prevent wrap degradation, and more importantly, it takes your warranty from 7 years to 10 years, which is great. Then we applied other T-Max ceramic coatings to all the carbon fiber parts, the wheels, the exterior glass to repel dirt and provide for much easier cleanup. But of course on the interior as well. Protect your leather, protect your suede, or even your vegan interior from Tesla. T-Max is a great interior ceramic coating that helps prevent staining and provide for much easier cleanup. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very fun project, and I'd love to hear some comments from you guys below. Also, if you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.